It is the very next day after this amazing cook with the calzones. While they tasted pretty good, this was probably the closest I've come to a actual fail video of how to cook something. This did not go as planned, and you'll see in the video a couple of three specific things I want to mention that you guys don't do when you're doing this cook. The first thing is I had the barbecue set way too hot when I put on the first calzone. It was at a little over 600 degrees. Now I would not do this anything over 500 for the calzones that I made for this specific recipe. If you do anything above that, wait until your grill is back down and then put them on. Secondly is the size of the calzone themselves. I should have either cut them into thirds, so I only did 3 calzones with the amount of dough I had. I just tried stretching it and I went with 4 and should have done 3. And lastly, since I had to wait so long for the grill to come down temperature again, the sauce and the dough kind of came together a little bit too much on the cutting board, and it was absolutely terrible to get it off cutting board onto the grill. Once it got on the stainless steel sheet and cooked, it was perfect. However, it took a little bit of extra effort to get it on there. So don't do what I did. Do what I say, not what I do, and enjoy the video. Hi everybody, welcome back to Smoker at Barbecue's YouTube channel. Today we are doing some calzones, but that's not just how you pronounce them. In preparation for this event, I thoroughly researched the calzone, or more appropriately, Parks and Recreation, where calzones are a prominent feature for the character Ben Wyatt. I don't think she's even seen it. Anyway, so in order to pronounce, you have to pronounce it correctly. And so I was going off with, oh, calzone! Anyway, so we'll go and get to it now. All the ingredients over here. Got some flour, because that's going to be much needed. These have been resting for a little bit. Can't wait. So, probably make yours first? Yeah? Okay. So now we are going to spread this thing out. That's just fell apart. That wasn't supposed to happen. These are not going to be pretty calzones. I am a barbecuer, and I do some things in the kitchen. So, kitchen stuff like this is pretty kitchen stuff like this is not my my calling. All right, so that's gonna be the bottom, okay? So we're gonna fold this over, right? So put everything to the right of this, okay? So there you go. Do like a big spoonful, and we'll see how much that gets us. Maybe one more. Maybe right here. Okay, we're not too close to the edge, just like those Pop-Tarts, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Actually, can you get us another spoon? I want to smooth it out, but not use that one to contaminate it. Because one thing is certain, if you do one thing wrong in a video, everybody's going to tell you about it. Right? Okay, so there we go. There's the lovely sauce. Now what do you put on top of the sauce, do you think?
Cheese.
Cheese, that's right. Yep. Put that right there. Hand me the cheese, please. All right. Okay, so, do a little sprinkling. Need a little more. Need a little more. I'll tell you. Now we start getting the pepperoni, okay?
Yep.
We're gonna put cheese, pepperoni, maybe some more cheese on top. Want to hand me some pepperoni? How many slices do you think you need? Do you think you want? I think at least 3.
Yeah, I was gonna say like this.
There you go. I kind of did them in a circle there. There you go. There you go. Just grab a handful. There you go. Okay, you want to put 3 down? Or however many you have in your hand? Okay, I'll start putting some cheese on. Oh yeah. Okay, that's good. What do you think? Now, very delicate. Put those back on the plate. Oops. Okay. Now with a fork, I'm going to rotate this so you can get a better angle at it, okay? Just go along the edge, okay? There you go. While she's doing that, I'm going to take the knife. Well, watch out, kid. And do 3 scores. Just like that. Not very strong. Deep. You want to make sure the steam can escape. We actually already have some dough fell apart a little bit. And a little bit of salt on top. Perfect. I'm just gonna kind of do like a pie crust to make it look so pretty. But you didn't know I could do that, could you? Okay, so that's yours.